This is an Easy Notes kit. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This is the magnetic staff. It's the backbone of the kit. The magnetic staff is amazing. So it's foldable. I love that because if you're a traveling music teacher, you can pop it in your music bag. It's very portable. And when you need it, you can just unfold it. You can put it on a music stand or on the music stand of the piano. It's magnetic both sides. So here's some black button magnets. So it's magnetic on the front and also on the back. The back gives you a whole blank workspace to work with. It also comes with a whiteboard pen, so you can write on it, and it's erasable. And you can also write on the front. So both sides, front and back, are magnetic and have a writable whiteboard surface. The magnetic staff in itself is a great tool for the music teacher. When you buy an Easy Notes kit, you get the magnetic staff whiteboard, and it comes with the black buttons and a whiteboard pen. You'll also get the house and farm magnets and the character magnets. The house and farm magnets set the scene for all the Easy Notes stories. So this is Girl G's house on Treblestaff Street, and this is Base Staff Farm. The house and farm magnets also come with 12 ledger line magnets. You can pick them up and you can put them on the staff and move them around anywhere you like. Having 12 ledger line magnets allows you to do all 4 octaves of notes with the outer ledger lines and the inner ledger lines. The Easy Notes kit also comes, of course, with the character magnets. You can just pop them out. They're really easy to pop out. Here comes a little bug bee. They're nice and thick, so they're really tactile and they're easy to pick up and move around. So let's put little bug bee, snug as a bug in a rug, on the middle line, and you can pick her up and make her fly down to sit on the keys of the piano. So there are 31 character magnets. The reason why there are 31 is because we have the overlap in the middle with the bass and the treble, middle C and middle D. So that's why there are 31. The kids love the character magnets. They're visual, they're colourful, they're tactile, and they enable your students to get hands-on and process and assimilate their knowledge of the notes. Hands-on activity is such a powerful teaching tool. The other thing you get with the kit, of course, is the Easy Notes books, Level 1 and Level 2. The Easy Notes books have all the stories and their theory books, so they have exercises for your students to do at home. It's very good if every beginner student has their own Easy Notes books, so then they can get the reinforcement at home of what you're teaching them in the lesson. The books have a middle card section with a full set of 31 note flashcards. They're perforated so you can tear them out one by one as your students learn each note. And behind the flashcards are the dog houses, lily pads, and the other pictures that you can cut out and put on the piano to make a kind of a Google map so that your students can easily connect the notes on the staff to the correct notes on the piano. And now the teacher kits come with an Easy Notes poster, which is great for hanging on the wall of your studio or for your students to hang up on the wall at home. So that's the Easy Notes teacher kit. Enter the code Music Readers at checkout to get an Easy Notes teacher kit at 10% off, plus 2 extra Easy Notes theory books absolutely free, and my free mini course coming up in August.